I probably know why you're here. You're wondering if I can provide you proper knowledge in the stock market or if I can give you some new tips. I can promise you I will share all my secrets and knowledge about stocks, but first, let's talk about my story. I really believe age doesn't matter in this game, as long as you stay committed. For instance, I started early myself and achieved over the top results with my long-term, bullish investing. The mental game is very important. Knowledge is nothing without discipline. Avoid stress and embrace peace. You need to be mentally composed. We'll talk about some tricks to do that later on in the course. Getting back to my life, some years ago I bumped into this man. Heard him talking about money and that caught my attention. From there I learned the first thing about economy and started my trading career. I was already obsessed with money. I wasn't very patient though. My plan was to achieve 100% success in every trade, and that of course is really difficult. Not even all the books I read couldn't help. The turning point came when I discovered Warren Buffett. I started to train my brain with investing and developed my personal method. It is all about vision and mentality. I started to give more importance to educated people. That's why I love Seeking Alpha and I founded my personal page. I think in this way you can avoid getting stuck in the same position and improve your overall knowledge. I was lucky enough to experience greediness and stress very early. On the one hand it was terrible, but at the same time helpful eventually. Because you learn something priceless, a big achievement, but again I will teach you everything. Believe it or not, I never ended below indexes, always above, lately with huge gains. If one day I end below, well, that's a blessing, because I can learn a lot. I will also suggest you some books to read, the ones I prefer the most. I really believe in the 21st century the visual memory is the one we use the most. That's why I use a lot of images, so be ready to take down notes and start a whole new experience.